Okay, so we have 4 brand new simulators. We can set up any scenario, so we can make it night, we can make it day. I can have it snowing, I can have it blowing, I can have a deer run out in front of you, I can have a highway patrolman pull you over. Any scenario that you can dream up, we can simulate and put that student into that situation. It's amazing how realistic they are. The simulators now not only show you, but you can feel it in the seat where the truck is leaning, or if you stop too fast, the seat will nosedive down. It will rock left and right or forward and backward. You not only can see what's going on, you can actually feel and hear what's going on.
They've got every control that you would have in the truck. I can put different engines, different transmissions, so I can teach you to shift 10 speed to 13. We can practice shifting, making turns, backing up. It gives everybody the basics of getting going, so when we actually transfer out, it actually makes it simpler.
Okay, so before we go out and start tearing up equipment, we put them in the simulator to get them into muscle memory. Can I shift this truck at all? And this a lot of times helps us decide what equipment they may be going into after we leave the simulator. So it's very expensive to repair a truck if we make mistakes, but if we're in the simulator now, we can get this down to, I'm going to start shifting, I'm going to start steering, I'm going to start using my mirrors, I'm going to pay attention to my instrumentation panel. There's a lot more that goes into this than just driving, but it's a big safety aspect to have the simulators.